I think they'll keep growing. We don't build enough housing in this country, right? So there's like fundamentally an upward pressure on rents in most markets, but you have to justify it in more cases. Like the idea that you can buy an 80s property and enjoy the excellent top line rent growth or just do cosmetic things. It's a risky strategy. You're not getting any younger. And at some level, you'd have to invest in it just to maintain your relative position in the market, especially with some of the
Yeah.
slowing. Yeah.
Yeah, even the things that you mentioned, plank floorings and putting washer dryer hookups in, that is what you do to keep a property like relevant and keep it active in the market because that is what the market has driven, it seems, over the past couple of and you want to put new flooring in anyway. So you might as well put something in that's going to last for a while instead of cheap linoleum that might last one turn.
Right. Then effectively, when you get past all the specifics of each property and the opportunity you think you see, overall, you're investing in a commodity product of which there are millions and millions of units. So it's a bet on the market as a whole. And if investing into it is just the best practice, then that's, really what it is. So like the upgraded kitchens aren't some sort of special sauce. It's just what goes hand in hand investing in multifamily. It's the same thing. You have to.
Have you guys implement with so many units, I would imagine that you've had some technology. You're not doing it all on QuickBooks or anything like that. So what sort of technologies have you implemented across the business and the platform to help make your job easier?
It's funny. I now get to point out that I'm not really on the operational side, and they would rattle a million different services we use. A lot of it has been on sort of the marketing and leasing. The like targeting of that has gotten much better. Like follow ups with leasing prospects. That seems to be the one that's having the most difference on the ground. We talk about how our leasing people are spending less time on just the kind of day to day touring and more time following up and trying to close on leases. Obviously, the pricing software is in the news these days. That's something we're all dealing with. We'll see what will happen there. But even recently, just like the pace at which new tech services are coming out is really pretty stunning. I was looking at, I can't remember the name of it, but a company that basically you just take a picture of a unit and it will automatically code in whatever those finished levels are.